Okay, for the dog run project, your Solidworks workflow goes like this. So let's go File New. Again, it's going to be File Part. First thing I want you to do is make sure you go into Options. We're going to set the right units. So under Dock Props here, you go to Units and make sure your length units are in feet and inches. Alright. And just leave it as custom. Hit OK. Alright, to start that sketch, we're going to start from the top plane. So click on the top plane, click Sketch, Sketch. I'm going to start a line segment from the origin. Again, I'm just initially here, I don't care about the lengths of any of these lines. Let's just get the geometric shape of your dog run set. So I'm going to just do, let's say, one of the requirements, it has to have an inside corner. So then I'm just going to close out the shape. And there's my basic shape of my dog run. Then I'm going to start my first dimension here. And let's say that this dimension is 3 feet. So 3 and then a foot mark and enter. Now you should make sure, double check that this says 3 feet here. Alright, and then I'm going to go here. Let's dimension this one. Let's say this is going to be 3 feet dash 6 inches. So again, make sure that you have the feet and inch marks. Accept that. Notice what's blue yet, because these are undefined. So if I hit escape, I can drag this and drag this. All right. Let's do this guy. Let's see. I'm going to have that one at 2 feet 6 inches. All right. And now if you don't, again, now as I look at this, that only gives me 6 inches here. That's kind of tight. I don't like that. So I'm going to go with 1 foot 6 here. All right. And then one last dimension. I've got to do this guy. And let's see, we're going to do that one again at 1 foot 6 inches. All right. Close out your, wait a minute, don't close out your sketch. We need to give it the third dimension. So go Features, Extrude. Now typically concrete pads like this are 4 to 5 inches. So I'm going to go 4 inches. And accept that. And there's our basic shape of our concrete pad and dog run. All right, so now just go to File, make drawing from part. Okay, from here you can use the standard A landscape, which is fine. Make sure though that this is being shown up here, and you're seeing the ANSI style title box. Alright, so then you really only need, I'm going to only require you to put 2 views out here. So you put your top view on, and then you can also, if you want, you don't have to, just put your isometric view. So I'm going to just drag my isometric view over here. I'm going to make this guy a little bit larger. 112. That's probably good. 112 is fine. Okay. Then again, go up to your option menu, Dock Props, make sure it says ANSI, and then your units, again, make sure it has feet and inches. And what I would do is just click on this, round in nearest fraction. Hit OK. So then all you need to do is go to your dimensions, start dimension each side of this. That's pretty much all the dimensions that you would need for this project. So it's 3/6. You don't need this one because you can get that, subtract those 2 in this. Alright, so from here, you're going to right click, edit sheet format, update your name and put the date in, or your names and the date, and then come back, right click again, edit sheet. And that should pretty much be it. And then you can go ahead and send this. The other thing you could also do to make this more prevalent is if you down here your line weights or line thickness, if they're not coming up, right click on here and make sure your line format tab is on. So again, if I want this to be a heavier line type, I can click there and put it heavier. Kind of looks nicer if it's a little bit more bold. But again, you don't have to do that. Or you click on the line, come over here. 197. Alright. Okay.